Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever looked at an acorn and wondered, hey, how much is this thing worth? Probably not. But stick with me for a sec, because we're about to dive into something just as nutty, the cost of an acorn account. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of fees and features, let's talk about why you'd even consider an acorn account. It's like having a tiny, magical money-growing tree in your pocket. You know those spare change coins that pile up in your car or at the bottom of your purse? Acorn takes those little guys, rounds up your purchases, and invests them for you. It's like finding gold at the end of a rainbow, but without the leprechaun. So, how much does this magic cost? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Acorn offers different tiers, each with its own set of perks. The basic plan is like the humble acorn itself, small, simple, and gets the job done. For a few bucks a month, you can start growing your money tree. But what if you want to take things to the next level? Acorn has plans with extra features like higher investment limits, FDIC insurance, and even financial advice. It's like upgrading from a sapling to a mighty oak. Of course, this comes with a slightly heftier price tag. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, fees. There are the monthly subscription fees we've mentioned, but there are also other costs to consider. Acorn makes money through investment management fees, which are typically a small percentage of your account balance. It's like paying a gardener to tend to your money tree. Is it worth it? Well, that depends. If you're someone who struggles to save, Acorn can be a game changer. It's like having a personal financial coach who gently nudges you towards a brighter financial future. Plus, the power of compound interest is a real thing. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into something significant over time. But remember, Acorn isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment strategy. You won't become a millionaire overnight. But if you're looking for a hassle-free way to start investing, Acorn could be a good option. So, to answer the burning question, how much does an Acorn account cost? It depends on the plan you choose and how much you invest. But let's be real, the real cost of not saving for your future is way higher. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing that money tree.